Hi Millennial Moms. I have a little recipe for you. This is what I've been drinking every day. I got this off of Trim Healthy Mama. That's the diet plan that I am following hopefully for the rest of my life. It's very sustainable, but they have just so many like superfoods and really healthy recipes that you can do. And this is one of their sippers, maybe one of the most popular. It's called Good Girl Moonshine. I make it for my husband and my kids too, and when I do that, it's Good Guy Moonshine. So check out Trim Healthy Mama. I don't get paid by them, or I'm not paid to promote. It's just something that works really well, and they have some great high quality products. So they, everybody does glass. I just use plastic. I'm not that healthy. Plus, glass. I have 3 rambunctious boys. It breaks. I've broken so many glass cups, whatever. So I use plastic. Hopefully, with all the other stuff I'm doing, I won't get cancer. But Good Girl Moonshine, all that you really have in it is ginger. You can use ginger powder, but I use a squeeze of cut up ginger, or you can use fresh ginger. I've used all 3, but this is super easy for me. Now, if you don't like the grainy ginger stuff in your drink, you don't want to use that. And it's to taste, so my husband doesn't like the ginger as much as I do, so I do less than his. And just a couple of dashes of apple cider vinegar with a mother. And I was just reading that you're not supposed to refrigerate it, and I don't think I used to, but for some reason I've been sticking it in the fridge, so hopefully I didn't mess it up, but I'll know for the future not to refrigerate it. And then I have this kind of stevia. It's the Trim Healthy Mama again, which to me is one of the best stevias. And you just do, these are the little dunks because you don't need hardly any at all. And I just do a few of these. I probably do more than other people, but I like a few of these, heaping, majorly overflowing, and that's probably enough. If you do too many, it's like really bitter and just too much sweet, because it's very, very sweet. It's a different sweet than sugar. And then you fill it up with water. And then I'm just going to shake it up. And it's got a good fizz. You can use carbonated water. I've done that before, and that's really great. It tastes like a good ginger ale or Sprite, a little tangier. And the apple cider vinegar gives it a little fizz. And so it's just really yummy. I don't drink Coke or soda. I never really have a lot. So for me, it's a good just drink that I drink all day. It reduces inflammation. It's good for your digestive system. It's just a really great drink to drink all day. And I find it really, really helps me with allergies. My throat feels less clogged up because I get, gunk in my throat from allergies a lot. So when I drink this consistently every day, it really helps with all of that. So give it a try. Thank you. So there's my Good Girl Moonshine, little easy thing I do. Other people have a lot of different recipes, a lot of different variations you can do with this. I just do the basic one because that's what I like. So give it a try, and I'll talk to you next time.